Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis, and overall, nice solid movement, especially when you factor in how the price and how the day began with the gap down. And then not only that, sure, it gapped down, but then that first 30 minutes, the price just kept dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. But since then has turned around very nicely. So what started off as a very, very rough start to the day, you got to give credit's due. The bulls fought back nicely, and maybe some breakouts here are on the horizon. Market's not quite closed yet. So if you're watching this video, the chart could look a little bit different. But what I'm trying to get across here are more so the general levels and, the key ideas moving forward. And like I said, that first key idea is just the fact that the price started off really, really bad and then recovered very nicely. So moving forward, you're going to want to continue to watch $10.40. That remains that, key level of support there. Again, yeah, the price spent a little bit of time below it this morning. But again, not only did the price get back above that green line, it just kept on going up. So 1040 remains that ideal level of support. If that area doesn't quite hold up, then you're going to want to, just as long as the price stays above that purple line, then that does imply that the overall trend is still perfectly fine, perfectly in the bulls' favor. But certainly, preferably speaking, in terms of, what would make this chart look the healthiest and the strongest moving forward, that would be if the price can stay above 1040. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the big question mark now going forward is, can the price work its way up to this $11 mark and get the break? You can see that's where it got rejected from on Tuesday, and then midday today, once again, got rejected at that area. So we'll see if the price can indeed get the break up through there. If it can, then the next key level of resistance would not be until just simply the highs of that IPO day, which sit over here at essentially $11. And let's see, what was the high of that out of? Right around $11.40. So $11 and then $11.40, next two key battlegrounds moving forward. But all in all, nice recovery. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.